What's good, YouTube? So we're starting this vlog differently. Today I don't have my camera. I mean, I have my camera, but the battery, I think I lost my battery. I don't know, oh, it got stolen. I don't know, but I don't have my battery in my camera. I'm actually back in New York. Why am I in New York? So, I want to go to... That's really why I'm here again in this crazy city. And right now, I'm trying to go get my visa, but I'm international, so a lot of things are a bit harder to get. So yeah, so I'm in New York for the day. I'm gonna try to get my visa and then meet up with some friends as usual and just kind of just mess around the city, probably see some spots that I've never seen before again. Yeah, so now I'm heading to the consulate and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Really strange. I've never seen that before. Yo, so honestly speaking, yo, I think I just fell in love with New York and I might just move here. Because, oh, is that a Bentley? Big boy. Like, there's just so much. Like, I feel like the hustle lifestyle or mindset here, it's intense. Like, everyone is just kind of going for what they want. All about that, going for what I want. If I want to do something, I just want to just get it done. If it works out, if it doesn't work out, you move on to the next thing. So I got sent back because apparently they said I needed one more document from my school. But it's so annoying, the fact that like, as an international student you really can't do a lot, yet we paid the most in this country. And it's so it just pisses me off how much like opportunities they literally skip over us. Like I would understand it if like we were paying less than everyone else and we were just like kind of feeding off the country. But then we're literally building America. Like, sorry to sound like that, but we're literally building America. And like you're trying to stay in your country. Like I literally just want to go there for like 10 days. That's it. But it's a hassle. I don't know, it's annoying. But we move. We don't get put down by little like setbacks. We just keep going. So I'm gonna head back to Boston. I'm gonna chill here for a little bit and then head back to Boston. And then I'll talk to my school or something and then come back here because I still need to get the visa no matter what. I got my camera back. I mean, not my camera, but I got my battery back. And I'm with the one, the only. Okay. Yes. But yeah, we're at Dover Street Market. She's about to pick up some stuff. I don't know if I'm going to pick up some stuff. But we're waiting for the rest of the guys and I'll see you guys maybe inside. I don't know if you can video inside, but then I'll see you guys when you go inside. Alright, safe.
I only have the 12s. Do you want to try them on?
Yeah, I'll try them on.
Okay.
You know the vibes.
Once again, part two.
With me again. Oh shit. You know the word.
Please don't touch my ring.
Please don't. Yo, let me see what you got. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And we out here in New York. We out here with Pusha F, original members of Ep.3.
You already know.
Yo, tell her, we just missing the T though. That nigga. But what we fit to see? Yo, not all the time, man. Toby said. I know Toby said.
Daddy take
You ain't better than 25, but now we did yet. Reflection, crack will kill you. Alright, so right here you see we got some magic going on. She touching up. Cause I'm about to finesse the fuck out of these pictures, bro. No cap.
Alright, bro.
Period, boom.
Oh, period. Oh.
You don't touch my rap.
Okay.
Don't touch
she
my
got the
rap.
last in the flavor.
Alright, who we going to next? We're moving that way? Who's that? Is that Bobby Guns? Is that you? Is that you, cuz? What we got on, cuz?
I don't know what these are, but it's the shoes though. They basic. This is basic too. These basic too. But this my girl though, Shadi. I love you. Leave those niggas alone. They don't deserve you, bro.
Leave me alone.
Tell them.
You guys already know who that is. You already know who that is.
Let me see the back. Oh shit.
But it's not the normal on this Anaheim factory.
Oh,
only
what?
few of them
So
produce it,
nice.
bro. It's kind of dirty right now because I'm skating them. But we like keeping it simple today, you know the vibes. Alright, we go down. He said left, right, you know the vibes. Vet more on the bitch. What pants you got on, bro? Uniqlo, you know the vibes. What shirt is that, bro? Uniqlo too.
Everything.
You gotta give this man his sponsorship real quick, man.
I know, right?
Right?
Really, dog?
Bro, that shit not free. These niggas bugging. It's just to go up the stairs and come back.
It's tourist attraction.
I ain't a tourist, nigga. I live here.
So we have to pay to go in here. We'll find out. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, where do we get tickets? Oh, there. I call 30. On the iPhone quality, leaving my guys.
I love you, bro. I miss you, bro. I'm gonna holler at you, bro. You know, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yo, she said stay prayers to her, you know, okay. God, bless her,
Amen.
grant her success. Any fashion line that sees her.
They will say we want.
They will say we want this design.
Nobody else.
I
How
think
can
they
you?
can't say
How can you see
exactly.
someone as fresh as this and not to give her the thing? You feel me? She's gonna get the bag. My wedding suit, my wife's wedding dress,
Come on.
all that.
I hope this shit documented though.
Yo,
so keep
put
that
that
same
shit.
energy, bro.
You know, we all gotta blow together, man. Bro, look how Race Clubhouse across the world
Yeah,
coming
man.
soon, man.
Coming
We're
through.
gonna have Lagos, one in Lagos, one in LA, one in New York
Yeah.
here first, you know, one in Boston, you know.
You know who's going to build
for my
it?
white people.
You know who's going to do this? Benetech.
Facts, he's gonna design everything, better texture, you already know the vibes. You know.
Alright, so I'm about to head out. I'll catch you guys later, you know.
Alright. Out you, bro.
Yeah, I'm going to cut it, Lord. Let's fit. So I'm currently just editing the video and just realized I didn't end this vlog so well. But yeah, that was a really quick short vlog. I went to New York for literally a day. Caught up with some friends I haven't seen in a bit. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that video regardless. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and have a good rest of your day.